Moving on to 25, which equation is represented by the graph below? Okay. So when we look at this graph, the first thing I'm going to think about is I'm going to cross off numbers 1 and 2. Okay. When I see x squared, or some quantity with x squared, I think these are parabolas. Okay, and this graph is definitely not a parabola. In fact, this V shape is kind of like the classic absolute value function shape. Okay, so when you see kind of this V, not kind of the smooth U of the parabola, this is going to be an absolute value function. So what we're left with are answer choices 3 and 4. Now to figure out which one it is, since these are both absolute value equations, we're just going to pick a point. We're going to pick an easy point, and we're going to plug into these equations and see which one comes out to be true. So, so for example, I see that the point 0, -3, okay, is part of this graph. Okay, 0, -3. Okay, so if I plug in 0 for x, I should get -3 for y. Okay, and we want to see which one, 3 or 4, actually gives us that value. So for answer choice 3, we have y equals the absolute value of x minus 3. So we're going to plug in 0 for x. So that's the absolute value of 0 minus 3. Now, absolute value of 0 is just 0 minus 3. Well, that gives us -3. So right there, we have our answer. Okay. Just to make sure, we have number 4, which is y equals the absolute value of the quantity x minus 3. If we plug in 0 for x here, we get the absolute value of 0 minus 3, which is the absolute value of -3, which is actually +3. Okay, so number 4 doesn't work. Okay, number 3 is our answer.